Hi everyone, welcome back to Umi's Home Cooking for today's recipe of Milk Peda. Milk Peda are semi-soft balls which are prepared all over in India and have different versions in different states. It's really easy to make dessert recipe which is prepared with really simple and easily available ingredients. And if you will enjoy this recipe, then give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe us so you can get notification of all the upcoming recipes. So let's start making Milk Peda. To make Milk Peda, first of all take 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan on low heat. Once ghee is slightly warmed up, then add 1 tin of condensed milk. It normally comes in 397 grams of condensed milk, but you can make condensed milk at home as well, so please find the link in the description box for the recipe. Mix it well and make sure to keep the flame on the lowest heat, otherwise condensed milk will start burning. Keep stirring and cooking just for 2 minutes and then add 1.5 cup of milk powder. Mix it well and cook it further for 3 to 4 minutes and make sure to get the mixture without any lumps. After 3 to 4 minutes, now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of saffron milk. Just add a pinch of saffron in warm milk and mix it. Adding saffron is completely optional. If you don't want to add saffron, then just add 3 tablespoons of warm milk and that's it. Saffron will just add a little flavor and it will give peda very light and beautiful color as well. But for color, you can add a pinch of orange or yellow food color in the milk, or you can leave it without using any color. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder to give it nice flavor and aroma. Now keep mixing it until it gets quite thick to hold the shape. Keep the gas on low flame and keep scraping the sides as well to get it cooked evenly. And it can take up to 8 to 10 minutes. It's been around 6 to 7 minutes and as you can see that it's already quite thick now, but it's still sticking to the spatula. And we need to cook it further until it starts leaving the spatula, then we know that it's done. As you can see, now it's not sticking to the spatula, it means that it's done. Turn the heat off and transfer the mixture into a bowl and let it cool down for a bit. Once it's cooled down, then take a small portion. You can also use a spoon to take mixture to get same size of each peda. Now make a smooth bowl and press it gently. Use your fingers to make it smooth and even. And repeat this process for all the pedas. And garnish them with finely chopped pistachios. These milk pedas are really easy to make just by following these very simple steps and only few ingredients. These have got amazing texture and taste. So must try these at home and share it with your friends and family. And do let me know if you would like to add any other flavor into it. Leave your comments in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from the screen, and you can subscribe our channel using the link on the screen or link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy and stay connected.